Mark is gonna make his
hot water cornbread.
Hot water cornbread.
It's really.
Some places won't make it for you though because eggnog.
That's a great idea. Yours? I was just giving a snack.
Alright. Now, onion and garlic and salt and pepper. Salt in there. Do all that. Then, pour some oil in here.
What kind of oil is it?
Just Crisco.
Your paycheck. As scheduled on Friday.
Here are the beans I've made. Been cooking all day.
Mmm. Gosh, that looks great.
Here. Oops.
Oh!
That wasn't. That fell
Did you
in
mean
the-
to do that?
No, I didn't. I didn't mean to do that either. Hold on.
Did they need to be flatter?
No, hold on. I'm not used to this kind of stove. Let's see if they taste all right first.
I think that one might not be done in the middle.
They need to be salted.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Uh-oh.
Is the fan?
I hope the fire department doesn't come. How do you turn it off? It's over here. That is priceless.
What?
I am so glad I was videoing this.
Oh yeah, I am too. That's gonna be fun. Colleen's gonna die.
Hey,
But these are actually turning out pretty good.
they are good.
Now that I got the heat down.
We're gonna call these fire alarm.
Hot water cornbread. Hot water cornbread was originally created by the Native American Indians back way before we came and raped and pillaged and everything. And somehow it ended up in the South, in Texas. And my grandmother, Nanny, used to make this all the time. Do you remember that, Mike?
Oh yeah.
See how this turned out.
Yeah, more, right?
Oh yeah. I'm just making it on the bread. Yeah. You look good. Have you ever had this?
A long time ago, your mom made
Not too much.
My little
It's
bell
not
in there.
smoking anymore. That'll be enough.
Yeah.
And just a little salt. The only negative of this is Tasha's got so much to clean up. Okay.
I heard my name.
Huh?
I heard my name in the words cleanup.
Did you? Okay, we're ready. Woo, that grease is still cooking, ain't it?